Make sure that you watch because you don't want to miss this chance, okay? It will involve all of you, all my viewers.
I have 30 feet of these.
Hello, everybody. First, I want to say thank you to Bluetti for sending me these solar panels, which I received a couple months ago. And I just want to say that I have done a temporary setup for the 200 watts flexible solar panels here. And the reason this video is a little late is because I ran into a little glitch, which I will show you a little later on in the video. I really want to thank all my viewers that have sent me amazing suggestions and advice on how to set up my solar panels. And yeah, you will see in this video. And it's just a temporary setup for now. And I can't wait to share this with you. So I will be back in a bit to let you know what happened. Enjoy the video, everyone. Today, I'm going to attempt to temporarily set up those solar panels I talked about in a previous video. It's going to be a little tricky, but I must try. So this is just a temporary setup. I'm going to find out how well they work. My original plan was to get the permanent weatherproof solar panels, but these were sent to me by Bluetti, so I'm going to see how well they're gonna work for now, in the time being, until I get the ones that you know, will work better for me. So all right, follow me. All right, I have some skids or wood pallets here, so I'm going to try to use these for a temporary platform for them. But I gotta get all this off here, all that snow. Oh, that's easy. have here 30 feet of MC4 cable. It's okay. And I'm not going to drill a hole in my wall because I don't want to do that. This is just a temporary setup. And I'm going to run it through one of my windows because I cannot run it through any of my doors. I'm not going to do that and have a big crack. No. So at least with the window, I can block the bottom part that's open with a towel. So, all right. We're going to see how these connect all together, and hopefully it works like a charm. So, all right. Well, let's get this done. Hey everyone, welcome back. And I was not able to connect these cables, MC4 cables, because I am missing a PV charger that connects to my AC 200p power station. So anyways, forgive me for, taking a long time to show you the setup, but I was waiting for this part and couldn't find the right part, the right PV charger. But anyways, it's okay because I have some excellent news. This is big and this is so wonderful, and it will involve all of you, all my viewers. So I just want to say that I'm pretty excited about this, and this will be coming very soon on my channel. So make sure that you watch because you don't want to miss this chance. Okay? So anyways, yeah. For the time being, I'm on hold. But it's okay because I will use my generator in the meantime. So it's all good. And thank you, everyone. So, I'll connect this to my power. Hey, all right. Do you want to do this? Okay.